When we want to access foreign websites, we need to use proxy IP. Proxy IP or proxy server is an important security feature. It primarily works at the dialog layer of the Open Systems Interconnection model. Click Network. Click Proxy Settings. Open System Proxy. Open PIA S5 Proxy. Choose a country. Click to start a proxy. Select IP, right-click and select port. Click on Port Forwarding List. Paste in. Click Save. Enter this URL to view the current IP address location. Now your IP address is set. Please click the link below the video to register.